Yeah.
So hello all, welcome back to my channel. So I am again back with some of the Udemy premium courses completely free for you all. So without wasting our time, let's begin with the first course. So our first course is on Java programming. So guys, if you are interested in Java programming, then you can go for this course. In this course, they will teach you about the core Java skills. So, so the core Java will be taught in this course. So the length of the course is 3 hours. So if you're interested, you can go for this course. The next course is based on complete introduction to C++. So guys, if you want to learn C++ programming from the scratch, so you can go for this course. The length of the course is 5 hours and you will get a certification on completion. The third course is on anti-money laundering concepts. So guys, if you are interested to learn about anti-money laundering, AML policies and AML compliances, then you can go for this course. The length of the course is 1 hour and there are two articles in this course. So you can go for this course. The link is in the description box. The next course is search engine optimization. So guys, if you are interested in knowing about the search engine optimization techniques, then you can go for this course. The length of the course is 3.5 hours and you will definitely get a certification on completion. The next course is on complete C programming. So guys, if you are interested in C programming, then you can go for this course. The course will be completely from scratch. The length of the course is 6.5 hours. So if you are interested to learn C, then you can go for this course. The next course is on making projects on Python, JavaScript or C hash. So guys, if you want to make some new projects on Python, JavaScript and C hash, then you can go for this course. So some of the projects are like building a music player, building a screensaver program. So you can go for this course if you want to make new project. The length of the course is 20.5 hours. So the course is going to be quite amazing guys. So you can go for this course. The link is in the description box. The next course is on web designing. So guys, if you are interested in web designing, then you can go for this course. The length of the course is 2 hours and you will get a certification on completion. The next course is on passive income, forward disk shipping, drop shipping, learn drop servicing. So guys, if you want to learn about passive income drop servicing, then you can go for this course. I have no idea about this course, but if you are interested in this, you can go for this. The length of the course is 5 hours. The next course is based on complete guide to Pinterest and Pinterest growth. So guys, if you want to know more about Pinterest, you want to know about how to have explosive Pinterest account growth, then you can go for this course. The length of the course is 4.5 hours. The next course is economic analysis of sales. So guys, if you want to learn about Black Friday, the types of pricing policies and the psychology behind the Black Friday, then you can go for this course. The length of the course is 10 hours. So you can go for this course if you are interested. The next course is on practical Git. So guys, if you want to learn Git, then you can go for this course. The course length is 1.5 hours and I think the course is going to be quite amazing. So you can surely go for this course if you want to learn Git. The next and the final course for this video is the simple Bitcoin course. So guys, if you are interested to learn about what is Bitcoin, the basic of Bitcoin, what is Bitcoin blockchaining, so you can go for this course. So the course length is 1.5 hours and there are many assignments also for you to practice. So guys, this much for this video. So I hope you like this video and please do subscribe and share the video with all of your friends so they can also grab much more opportunities. So thank you all.